Hasan, and I'm a student at Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department in Bilkent University, and this is my second year. Today I'm gonna present you my project in the course which that I'm taking, which is EE 102, and this is my EE 102 term project presentation. My project basically tries to create a password for a bank safe, and afterwards another user will try to type the correct password to open the bank safe. If he or she does otherwise, the bank safe will lock itself immediately. And so first of all, I'm going to show you how I did created password for the bank safe. First of all, now I'm going to create a password using USB external components, and I'm gonna using external components of USB driver. I'm gonna connect the keyboard to the BASIS3 FPGA board, and the password that is aimed to be created will emerge from keyboard, and it will take four digit password, and it will display in it will be displayed in 7-segment display. And first of all, let's create the 4-bit password for the bank safe that is aimed to be created. Let's try first one. Let's say the password should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And saving it, we will save the password, and another user will try to open the bank safe, trying to enter the password that is saved for the particular safe. Now, as you can see, the typing and creating the 4-bit password for the bank safe, the same word appeared in the 7-segment display, as you can see. Now we're gonna skip to the next step, which is that another user, random user, will try to type 4-bit password and try to type the correct password so that he can or she can open the bank safe that is given the 4-bit password. So now, as you can see, as we mentioned earlier, we saved the password for the particular bank safe. Now we're gonna, as a user, try to type it and hopefully open the bank safe without any error, or we're gonna have error and the lock word will appear in the BASIS3 7-segment display, and the bank safe will lock itself immediately when that happens. So that's right. Now, for example, as we said, the password that we created for the bank safe was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, first of all, we're going to try the correct one, which is one, as I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try. Oh no, we just said 133, which is the wrong one. Now, when I push the push button, the 7-segment display will disappear, as since we write it wrong way. Now it disappeared and locked itself. But if we type it correctly, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, it will appear as the word save will appear, and the bank save will open. And that is my project. Let's see if when I push this push button, the save word will appear. If we see the save word will appear or not.
3.
Now, as you can see, the correct password for the bank save is typed in the correct form. Doesn't matter. So now the save word should appear in the 7-segment display, which happened right now. That means we, as an user, I typed the correct password for the bank save, and the bank save opened itself. And let's turn themselves on. So that was my brief project presentation for my project in EE 102 term project. Thanks for listening to me.